Hello, my name is Noah and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So first you need to do is fold it like this. Fold it pretty good, but not that good. Like that. And then open it. And then I have to do this on the ground, it's kind of hard. And fold it like that. And fold it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, including the one that I first showed you, so it would look like this. Then fold it over like this. Then take it like this, fold it almost halfway, then it's really hard to crease, and then take a hold of the back side where the paper you think ends, and hold it, just wait, and hold it like this, and fold it. Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? So it looks like this. It's kind of messed up, but that was my fault. I messed it up. Going to be like this. So boom, I fixed it. So it kind of looks like this. Then you fold it back down like this. Then you take about halfway and then fold it down. So it looks like this, and then do the same on the other side. So it looks like a thin piece of paper. Then open it, and then fold it so it looks like this. Done. It's really easy. Bye.